7 mistakes to avoid in the ATM business. Think owning an ATM means easy money while you sleep? Not so fast. Many new ATM owners lose money before they even get started. Here are 7 common mistakes to avoid, so you can save time, save cash, and grow a profitable ATM business. Expecting instant profits. Don't expect fast cash right away. Yes, ATMs can bring in solid income, but it takes time. Even in a good spot, it might take months before traffic builds up. A lot of beginners also chase high traffic spots like gas stations and nightclubs right out the gate. That's not realistic when you're new. Start small. Look for local shops, barbers, or cash-only businesses without an ATM. Prove yourself first, then aim higher later. Buying old or used machines. Trying to save money on old ATMs? You'll probably pay more in repairs, stress, and downtime. Worse, many older machines aren't secure or compliant. No EMV chip reader? That's a red flag. Instead, invest in a certified pre-owned or newer model from a reliable brand like Triton, Genmega, or Hyosung. You'll avoid costly problems and run smoother from day one. Not stocking enough cash. An ATM with no cash is just a useless box. Most machines need at least $2,000 to $3,000 loaded. Busy weekends or holidays? That money disappears fast. Every time your machine is empty, you lose profit, and people stop coming back. Track your usage, plan your reloads, and set alerts to avoid downtime. Skipping compliance upgrades. Cutting corners on upgrades may save a few bucks now, but it can cost you trust, fines, or worse. Your machine needs to meet EMV and PCI compliance. Always check with your processor or manufacturer to be sure. This isn't optional, it's required. Not having the right bank. You'll need a business bank account to operate, but not all banks accept ATM businesses. Some will label it high risk and deny you. That's why it's important to be honest and upfront. Build a relationship with a local bank or credit union that understands your business. That smooths out your cash flow and deposit process. Setting the wrong surcharge. Charge too little and you barely break even. Charge too much and people walk away. So what's the sweet spot? Check what other ATMs nearby charge. Then choose a fee that's competitive but still profitable. People pay for convenience. Just don't give them a reason to avoid your machine. Picking a bad location. Location matters a lot. Put your ATM in a quiet shop with low traffic. Don't expect much. Instead, look for steady foot traffic. No nearby ATMs, cash-only businesses. Places like laundromats, bars, barbershops, and small markets are often overlooked, but can do really well. And here's a tip. Offer the business owner a small share of the surcharge. It makes getting a yes much easier. Use the right equipment. If you want fewer problems, start with good gear. Get a solid machine with a reliable dispenser, secure card reader, and strong internet connection. Not sure where to start? ATMdepot.com has a full guide that makes it easy. Final thought. The ATM business works. If you do it smart, avoid these 7 mistakes. Use the right tools. Start with realistic expectations. And remember, you don't need to figure it all out alone. Check out ATMdepot.com for expert help, equipment, and free training. Thinking of starting your own ATM business? What's stopping you? And what location would you try first? Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.